Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards from Asus, the ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 and the Asus Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2. Both motherboards are based on the AMD B550 chipset and support the latest Ryzen processors, but they cater to different needs and budgets. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and performance to help you decide which one is right for you. When it comes to pricing, the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is priced at $189, making it a premium option for serious gamers and enthusiasts. In contrast, the Asus Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 is much more budget-friendly at $119. This significant price difference reflects the additional features and capabilities of the ROG Strix model. But for those on a tighter budget, the Prime model still offers solid performance and essential functionality. The form factor is another critical difference between these two motherboards. The Asus ROG Strix B550F is an ATX motherboard, which provides more expansion slots and connectivity options, making it ideal for high-performance builds. On the other hand, the Asus Prime B550M-A is a micro ATX motherboard, which is more compact and suitable for smaller cases. While the Prime model may have fewer expansion options, it is still a great choice for users looking to save space without sacrificing performance. In terms of features, the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 comes packed with advanced capabilities such as Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and multiple RGB headers for extensive customization. It also includes BIOS flashback and HDMI 2.1 support, making it a top-tier choice for gamers. Conversely, the Asus Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2, while still offering essential features like Wi-Fi 6 and HDMI 2.1, lacks some of the high-end options found in the ROG Strix. However, it still provides a solid foundation for most users looking for a reliable motherboard. In conclusion, the choice between the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 and the Asus Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 ultimately depends on your needs and budget. If you're looking for a high-performance motherboard with extensive features, the ROG Strix is the way to go. However, if you're on a budget and need a reliable motherboard for everyday use, the Prime model is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.